Right, Dickie Mint's back. I want to show you my Dennings of Chard tractor mounted circular saw bench. So we'll go and get the 275 fired up and cut a little bit of wood, nothing too much, just a little bit. And just remember, this is some of my stuff, okay? Right. Right, a bit of classic stuff, a bit vintage I guess, PTO driven, onto the tractor, onto the 3-point linkage, with a big pulley down there, and there's 5 V-belts, sizable saw blade. You wouldn't want to catch your fingers on that, you'd never play the banjo again. There you go, Dennings of Chard. Let's have a quick look at the tractor, shall we? A nice little International 275 from 1967.
Oh yeah.
Right, hope you enjoyed that. And I'll see you and come back with later. Bye for now.